Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color can be found in the feathers of the duck, which have a beautiful blue-green hue. This color is produced by combining blue and green, often with a touch of gray to soften its intensity. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Teal. Teal. Like we say, steel. Teal is crucial in the context of interior design, fashion, and branding, helping designers and professionals to create spaces and products that evoke a sense of calmness, sophistication, and modernity. It is a versatile color that can bring both tranquility and a pop of color to any setting. If you enjoyed learning about teal, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.